Hazrat Amr bin Maimun states that Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu said, while we were along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in a dome-like tent, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Are you pleased with it that you may be 1/4 of the inmates of paradise?" We submitted, "Yes." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, "Are you pleased with it that you may be that 1/3 of the inhabitants of paradise?" We submitted, "Yes." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, "Are you pleased with it that you will be the half of the residents of paradise?" We submitted, "Yes." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "By him in whose hand Muhammad's soul is, I hope that you will make the half of the inhabitants of paradise, and none but Muslims will enter paradise, and you, as compared to the polytheists, are such as a white hair on the body of a black bull, or a black hair on the body of a red bull." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6528.